Friends, today we are going to learn how to make child sleeve of age group 3 years. So for making the child sleeve, we need some required measurements. Length of the sleeve, that is 4 inches, width 5.5 inches, and round arm at the bottom area where the length should complete is 6 inches. So for making the sleeve, I have made this block ABCD. The length AD is 4 inches. The width is 5 inches, 5.5 inches AB, and I have completed this block as ABCD. Now for making the sleeve, I'll take 1.5 inches on the line BC here, and I'll attach this with the diagonal line from point A and mark it as B1, and I'll mark the line like this. Now on line DC, I'll take half of round arm 3 inches, mark it like this, and attach it with the point B1, X with the B1. This is our sleeve, but we are left with the curves. So for making the curves, we will divide the portion, this portion, into half. We'll take the center, this is the center point, and we have to divide it further into half and half, like this from here, and like this. I have divided my portion into 3 parts. So for making the front curve, what I will do, I'll take 0.5 inches from the front, like here. Then I will mark it, these points as 0, 1 and 2. On point 1 I have taken 0.5 inches, on the 0 point I will take nothing, and on the point 2 I will take 0.75 inches downwards, 0.5 inches downwards, downside, like this, and like this from here. Here it go downward, here it go upward. For the front curve, for the front of the sleeve, now I will attach it with the S curve. I'll make broken curve here, curve with the broken lines, like this. You can use French curve for making the curve. This is my front seam line, front armhole, front line. Now I'll make my back line for the back thing. So I'll take from the 0 point, I will take 0.75 inches. So for making the curve, I'll attach it like here. I'll go like this. This C curve is for back, this S curve is for front. Here I have completed my child sleeve, so I'll make the grain line here. So as it is on fold, I will give the mark of on fold, and also I will show the grain line. This is a marking for the on fold, and I will write here my grain line, that is on grain. Here we have completed our child sleeve. Completion of child sleeve block draft, we have cut the required area which we need for the draft. So this is our front, this is on fold, and the markings are made on it, and this is our back as shown, back with the C curve and front with the S curve.